Hey beautiful people, tired of stubborn acne and blackheads? The secret to clear skin is in your kitchen. Discover powerful natural remedies today. Embrace the skin you've always dreamed of. Welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more natural health and beauty tips. Acne and blackheads can be frustrating, but harsh chemicals aren't the only solution. Let's dive into nature's skincare arsenal. First, let's understand the enemy. Acne occurs when pores clog with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria, causing inflammation. Blackheads are open pores filled with oil and dead skin that oxidizes, turning dark. Combat them with gentle cleansing, exfoliation, and nourishing skincare. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Natural remedies that can help you achieve clear, beautiful, and radiant skin. Remedy number 1, honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, while cinnamon boosts circulation. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply to your face, focusing on acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Use twice a week to reduce acne and prevent breakouts. Remedy number 2, tea tree oil spot treatment. Tea tree oil is renowned for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Dilute 1 to 2 drops with 12 drops of carrier oil. Apply directly to pimples and blackheads. Leave it on overnight. Apply nightly to see significant improvement in blemishes. Remedy number 3, green tea facial steam. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Boil 2 cups of water and add 2 green tea bags. Pour the hot tea into a bowl. Place your face over the bowl and cover your head with a towel. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This opens up pores and leaves your skin feeling refreshed. Remedy number 4, oatmeal and yogurt exfoliating scrub. Oatmeal soothes the skin and absorbs excess oil, while yogurt gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Combine 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Massage onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use once or twice a week for smooth skin. Remedy number 5, aloe vera gel moisturizer. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and helps heal acne scars while moisturizing the skin. Extract gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf or use pure aloe vera gel. Apply a thin layer to your face after cleansing. Incorporate this into your daily skincare routine for hydrated, clear skin. Skincare isn't just about what you apply externally. Here are some lifestyle tips to enhance your results. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Eat a healthy diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Manage stress with yoga or meditation. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Avoid touching your face to prevent bacteria spread. Achieving clear, glowing skin is a journey, and with these natural remedies, you're on your way. Embrace nature's power and let your beauty shine. Consistency is key, and every step counts toward your skincare goals. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. Comment below with your favorite natural remedy. Let's build a community of radiant, confident individuals. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos on natural skincare. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Stay radiant.